Hello everybody and welcome back to Diamond Painters with Mike. Today we have a Temu, yes, unboxing it, came today, and yeah, this is another Halloween. I keep getting recommended Halloween stuff, like, I don't know if it's because it's just generally autumn coming soon, or whether it's just, they just think I would like Halloween, but in here it's a really good one. And first things first, we're going to show you something that is not diamond paint related. Now, I got this. Do you think you know what that is? Well, I'm about to tell you what that is. Have you ever put a nail in the wall and really struggled to hold it there while you're tapping it in? And you think the minute it's, you know, you bang it in, you think, oh, I'll let grip, and then as soon as you let go, it falls on the floor. Well, this, I'll put the link in the description of the video, but this is a little device that, as you can see, it's got various nail sizes, and you just hold it like that. But the idea is you hold it at the side, you put the nail in which you want in the wall, so it could be large, medium, small and extra small. Looking at that, I can't see how a nail would fit right through there, but the idea is that you put the nail through and it holds the nail as opposed to you doing it and holding it there, because obviously if you've got really big hands like I have and really big fingers, when you're holding it, it's not enough to grip it and bang it in the wall while holding it still, because you need a bit of room in between holding it and the nail going in the wall for it to, you know, hold in. Otherwise you're just banging nothing. But I thought that could come in handy when I put like photo frames on the wall of my canvases. So yeah, I thought that was quite handy, so we'll give it a go and see what that looks like. Now for the best thing of all, which is Halloween. Now, I saw this and I really liked the other one that I got, but this one is a really sort of, I don't know, gothic, scary, sort of Halloween, dark, cozy night sort of one. I don't know, but let's have a look. And oh my god, you can probably oh, that's an interesting pack of, oh, it's all them single ones. But look at this, Roxanne, look at this. Oh, now can you see why I went for this? Reason is I love Skullosauruses. I've always called it a Skullosaurus. But you see, this one's a really like, I don't know, it's giving you like the poison vibe, isn't it? You know, in Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, where the Wicked Witch gives Snow White an apple, she bites it. No, or is it the Good Witch? Yeah, I think it's the Good Witch. She bites it and she turns into an evil witch. I don't know. I can't remember. It's that long ago since I watched it. But yeah, it reminds me of that, because we've got a black apple here, which would indicate some sort of poison. We've got this seeping through gunge, what I can only describe as probably, it's not syrup, but it's obviously green syrup of some sort. And then look, they've got a black bow with a little skull on it. I love it. And I've never seen an apple that is Halloween with a bow on it, with a skull, and it's so gorgeous looking. Now this, the stick, oh mamma mia. Yeah, it's not great, but this is gonna be just perfect for Halloween. And if you get a black frame as well, that'll just really set that off. But I loved it. As soon as I saw that, I just had to have it. And it feels like I've been waiting forever for this, but yeah, it just seems to get slower and slower now. But oh wow, look at that gold drill. Oh wowee. Yeah, well, I'm going to open these. I don't normally open the individual bags, but I'm curious now because they're so beautiful. Oh, look at that. Blue teardrops. We've got some green ones. I wonder where they go then. Where's the green on here? It could probably be the D there. Oh, yeah, look at that. Beautiful blue ones. This gorgeous gold. Where would that go? 22, oh, that's interesting. Someone's gone around putting 22 on them, but it's actually, it's like they've made a bit of a balls up, because on the back here they've actually handwritten it on. Wow, I wonder why they've all got 22 then. These are probably the A's here, because I can see it on there, them gold A bits. We've then got ourselves this brownie colour, sort of pinky colour, a green. Oh, mamma mia, wow. That's a gorgeous colour, that one. Look at that. Oh, that is lovely. What's that one, number 2? That's going to be, let's have a look here. Yeah, that's somewhere down here, look, all round the leaf of that. And then we've got obviously the main bulk, which is the black. So this is going to be very beautiful. Oh, don't I just pick the best paintings? I just pick all the wonderful ones. But I've never seen, because looking at this, I didn't think there'd be much colour, because obviously it's quite a dark painting. But the way they've given you these gold ones, but I think my favourite has to be these green. Oh, this is a stunning one. So if you like this, Roxanne, you should so get this, because I know you love Halloween very much. Roxanne loves Halloween. So if you check over her channel, Craft Addict Roxanne, she's got loads and loads of Halloween stuff. So in her playlists from over the years. But this is a stunning one. I absolutely love this. Absolutely stunning. So this is why I don't take them out, because once you put them in, you can never get them back into that lovely way they packed it. You just have to shove them in. But look at that. Oh, yeah. If only I could get a black, like this border, black, and then that skull was a big skull on the centre of it, like this apple, like the skull being the centre with the black background. That would just be amazing. But yeah, I'll also let you know how I get on with this, because yeah, I thought that was quite a good contraption, because the amount of times I've struggled to bang the now in and it's fell out. Because I don't know what it is, but my walls, whenever you bang a now in, it slides out the wall. So imagine that's the whole of the wall. You bang the now in and it just pulls away again. It's like it can't really stick in the wall. It's really weird. Like, it's almost like you need a wall plug for it as well. So yeah, these walls are crap. But hopefully this little gadget will help. But that's enough rambling on. I'm off to cook spaghetti bolognese, as my granddad calls it. Yeah, if you want to get this for yourself, it's available from Temu. Yeah. And I'll see you tomorrow for another unboxing. Bye.